That's a big fish. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna need that net. Hey everybody, it's Matt with Discovery Outdoors. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. I did a bait versus bait challenge, Catfish bubblegum versus Secret 7, and I actually took a rod and I threw some shad on the rod and threw it out back. After 5 hours of fishing, Catfish bubblegum did not catch a single one. Secret 7 did not catch a single one, and I caught 4 fish on the one rod with shad. 3 were really quite small. 1 was okay, 2 were very small, but my 4th and last fish was this big beautiful blue cat. So I decided to do this video a little bit different. I cut out the smaller fish. I pretty much cut out the bait versus bait part. I just wanted to give you a little quick rundown of how the night went and then show you the full video of the blue cat because it was a great catfish. Let you get a look at it. So enjoy the video. We'll see you next time. Bye. All right, we're here. We're on the lake. I'm getting ready to go out on the lake, but I'm at the boat ramp. And to you guys that watch this channel, you know what that means. I'm going to throw my net. There we go. That's a net I found out here. Actually, I broke my other net, so actually worked out quite good. I found this net, accidentally snagged it when I was out here fishing, and then broke my net like 2 days later, so that worked out okay. I'm going to throw on the boat ramp to get shad. It's one of the highest probability places in the lake to find shad, so we're going to start here and throw some shad in the boat, and then we're going to go out fishing. That's why I say it, guys. Okay, we got a shad on the back here that's getting hit pretty hard. It's worth noting that we've got, several Catfish bubblegum and Secret 7s in that have not gotten really much action here. That's a big fish. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna need that net. This is oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, there we go. That's a pretty damn nice cat right there. Have to get him out of there now. Couldn't help yourself when you saw a huge chunk of shad, could you? Yep. Look at that fish. There we go. That's why we do this, people. There we go. Been a slow night. We earned this big guy. Oop, wrapped up now. Caught him on the Doma rig. 7/0 hook. About an 8.5 pound catfish. Might be a little more. Let's check him real quick. Let's find out. Well, he's bigger than I thought. 11.8, please. Safely an 11-pound fish. There you go. There's a nice little screenshot, huh? 11-pound blue cat. Caught him on a chunk of fresh shad. Yep. Good looking fish right there. Let's get him back in the water.
gone. Just that fast. Wow. 11-pound blue cat. That was very nice. Nice fish. Give me a little bit of a workout there. I looked back and saw the pole go down. I thought, that looks like a fish. And then it kept going. And the whole rod holder moved and I went, oh, it's a big fish. Yes, it was. A very nice fish. An apple, you just eat.